Good morning, students. In the exercise in yesterday class, we discussed 1.3. In that 1.3, then second, third, and fourth question. Today we are going to discuss about the remaining questions. Here the fifth. In that fifth question, find the product. Find the product using suitable properties. Okay, the properties of integers. The properties of integers, the commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. Okay, then the closure property. Okay, using the suitable properties. Okay, here the first one, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 minus 36. Here, by using the suitable property. Okay, which property you have used? Here, take then minus 48 and minus 48. Okay, the same value, minus 48 minus 48. Take A. Okay, into, as it is into, then B and C. B and C. Okay, here 2 into 3 6 and 3 into 2 6. Okay, the both are having same values, 26 into 48 or 48 into 26, A into B or B into A. Okay, here then observe this, the property A into B and A into C. A into B, A into C. Which property? A into B plus A into C. Okay, so take minus 48 as a common, minus 48. Okay, here as it is plus, take common, into. Okay, into, here the remaining value 26, here the sign is plus of minus 36, plus of minus 36. Okay, here the minus 48 as a common. Okay, the minus 48 into, here in this the 48, minus 48 is a common with, here the remaining value is 26 into bracket 26. Here in this expression, A into C. Okay, A into C, the A as a common, the 48 as a common, the remaining value is minus 36. Okay, A into B plus C. Okay, A into B plus C is a distributive property. The multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. Here write minus 48 into 26 plus into minus, minus 36. Minus 36. Here minus 48 into 26 minus 36, minus 10. Okay, minus into minus, plus 14 to 10, 480. Okay, the which property? Distributive property. Distributive property, multiplication over addition. Okay, multiplication over addition. Here A into B, A into C. Okay, A as a common, take 40 minus 48 as a common, into, here the remaining value is 26. Here in that remaining value, plus of minus 36. Here the plus sign, minus 36. Here the 48. A into B plus C. A into B plus C is a distributive property, the multiplication over addition. Here the 26 minus 36 is a minus 10. Okay, here the plus 26 and minus 36. Here the plus 26 and minus 36. Here the sum of a negative and a positive integer. Here the negative. Here the bigger value sign is a negative 10. Negative 10 into negative 48 is positive 480. Okay. The next, 8 into 53 into minus 120 5. Okay, and this is a commutative property. A into B into C or C into B into A. Okay, the multiplication in any order. Okay, then here, then easy way to solve this problem. Here 8 into minus 125. 8 into minus 25. Here 8 into minus 125 or 125 into 8. It's the same values. 6 into 2, 12, and 2 into 6 is a 12 into 53. The multiplication. Okay, the multiplication of commutative property. The commutative property is A into B equal to B into A. Here 8 into 125 or 125 into 8. Here then easy bit. 125 into 8. 125 into 8 is 1000 minus 1000 into 53. Minus 1000 into 53. Here plus into minus. Then 53,000. 53,000 is the answer by using a commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property of multiplication satisfied. Okay. Here the 8 into 125. 8 into 53 is 8 into first 8 into minus 125. Here the 8 into 125 is 1000 minus 1000 into 53. Okay, 53,000 minus 53,000. Okay, the same as it is. A into B into C into D, or D into C into A into B, or A into B into C into D. Okay, 15 into 25 multiply minus into minus plus into minus into minus plus into minus 25 into 4 is 100 into 10 is 1000 plus into minus 50 into 1000. Okay, 15,000. Okay, 15 ones are 15 and the 3 zeros. Then again the commutative property, A into B into C or C into A into B. Okay, then this is commutative property. So these are the multiplication. Okay, multiplication of commutative property. Okay, an easy way to solve the problems by using a commutative property. This one is a distributive property. Here the 26 into 48 and 48 into 36. Then it takes some more time to solve this type of problems. Then so that by using properties of integers, you have to easy to solve this type of problems. Okay. The next one. Then D, here minus 41. The minus 41 into 102 is it takes some more time. Okay, then by using a properties 100 plus 2, 100 plus 2. Okay, then 100 plus 2 is a 102. Then which property? A into B plus C. A into B plus C is a distributive property. The multiplication over addition. Here the 41 minus 41 into 100 plus of minus 41 into 2. Minus 41 into 2. First here minus 41 into 100 and minus 41 into plus 2. The multiplication over addition. Okay, here A into B plus of A into C. A into C. Here the minus 4100 plus of the minus plus into minus 82 minus 82. Okay. Okay, the 400. Here the A into here B plus C. The split the value 102 into 100 plus 2. Okay, 100 plus 2 A into B plus C minus 41 into 100 A into B and A into C. Okay, here 41 into 100, then 4 minus 4100. Then this one minus 41 into 2 minus 82. Here minus 4100 here plus into minus 82 minus 82. Here the sum of a negative integer, the sum of two negative integer is negative. The sum of a two negative integer is negative. Then operation is addition. 80. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, by using a distributive property. Which property? Then by using distributive property. Distributive property, multiplication over addition. Okay. Okay, in that question, let us take E, F, G and H. Okay. Here 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Okay. Here A into B plus of A into C. A into C. Here minus the weight. Okay. 625. Okay, 625 and 625. Here this is A into B plus of, take minus common, minus, take minus, okay, A into B, A into C. Okay, here 625 and 625. 625 is a common. Okay, here minus 1 into plus 1. Here the 65 into 1. 65 into 1 is nothing but a 65. Here minus 1 into 65. Here right. 625 is a common. Minus 35. Minus 35. B plus C. B plus C. What is C? Here the minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 65 is minus 65. Minus 65. Okay. Here the 625 plus into minus. Again minus 625. Okay. Here minus into. Here the plus. Plus into minus. Minus 625 into minus 65 is. Okay. 625 into minus 35 plus into minus. Minus 65. 625 into minus 35 and minus 65 is minus 100. Okay. The sum of two negative integer is negative. Here the 625 plus into minus. 625 0 0. Okay. So which property? Distributive property. Here A into B, A into C. A is 625. Take a minus as a common. Okay. 625. Here 1. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 65. Okay. And this is distributive property. distributive property. Okay. The next one here 7 into 50 minus 2. Here 7 into 50 minus 2, a into b minus c. Again the distributive property, the multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction. Here the plus. Here the sign is a plus. Here sign is minus. Here 7 into 50 as it is minus a into b. A into b minus a into c is 2. C is 2. Okay. Here 7 50s are 35. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Here a into b minus c. Okay, distributive property, the multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction. Here nothing but a into b is a into b minus of a into c. A into b minus of a into c. Here a into b minus of a into c. A into c. Okay. 7 50s are 350 and 7 2s are 14. 350 minus 14 is 336. 336. Okay. And this is an answer. The next one. Here minus 17 into minus 29. Okay. We have to solve in a direct method. Minus into minus plus, then 17 into 29. It takes some more time. Using a suitable properties. Here minus 17 into here 102 in a previous question 102, then 102 into split into 102 into 100 plus 2. Again the minus 29. Here the 29 split into 30 minus 1. Okay, 30 minus 1. Okay, 20 plus 9 is a 29. Nothing but a 29. 20 plus 9. Here again 20 and 9. The 17 into 9. Okay, it takes more time. Here the 20. 17 into 3 and 17 into 1. Okay, then here the minus sign. Minus 29. Here the minus 30 plus 1. Okay, minus 30 plus 1 is minus 29. Here the sum of a negative and positive integer is in the operation is a subtraction. 30 minus 1 is a 29. Here the bigger value sign is minus. The 29 is nothing but minus 30 plus 1. Minus 30 plus 1. Okay, again a into b plus of c. A into b plus c. Here minus 17 into minus 30. Minus 17 into minus 30 plus of 17 into 1. 17 into 1. Here minus into minus plus 17 3s are 510 plus 17 1s are 17. Here the answer is 527. 527. Okay. So this is again distributive property. Distributive property over addition. Okay. Here minus 29. The 29 is split into 30 minus 1. Here the 29 is minus 29. Again minus. Here the answer is minus 29. Here the minus 30 plus 1. Here the bigger value sign. The sum of a two negative and a positive integer. The answer, the sign of answer is minus, means the bigger value sign is minus. Bigger value sign ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ minus. Answer sign minus ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, subtraction ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ bigger value sign ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ negative ಇರುತ್ತಾ. Minus 30 plus 1. Here a into b. Here a into b plus a into c. Sorry. Minus 17. Minus 17 into 1. The minus 17 into 1. Minus into minus. So plus into minus. Minus. Okay. Plus 510. Plus 510 and minus 17. Here 17, 493. 493. Okay, the answer is 493. The next one, here minus 57 and minus 19. Minus 57 and minus 19. Okay, we know that here the same values. Here the minus 57 plus 57. Okay, minus 57 and plus 57. Here write like this. 57 57 here the 19 minus 57 into minus 19 plus of 57 into 1. The 57 into 1 is a 57, nothing but a 57 into 1 is nothing but a 57. Here A into B plus of A into C. Here A into B plus of A into C. Again the distributive property. Okay, write like this. Here the 57 is a positive. Take a 57. Okay, here 57 is minus 1 into 57. Minus 1 into 57. It means the minus 1 is a common. Here the minus 1 is a common means the minus into minus. Plus 19 plus 1. Plus 19 plus 1. Here 57. The 57 is nothing but minus 1 into 57. Minus 1 into 57. Plus into minus. Minus 57 into 1. 57. The minus 57 minus 1 into 57. Here the minus 57. Here the 50s. 57 and 57 take a common. Here in the 57, here the remaining value is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 19. Minus 1 into minus 19 is plus 19. Here as it is 1. Here A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Here A into B plus C, 57 into 19 plus 1. 19 plus 1 is 20. Okay. Then 57. 57 twos are 114. 114. Okay. 1140. Again, this is a distributive. All the by using distributive property. Okay, then distributive property, then this also distributive property, the multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction, and this also distributive property, and this also distributive property. In that 1.3, now this is a fifth question. Okay.